to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Bennett Ranch Bulls. This is Jaden Williams,
Luca Ferrigno, and Jacob Gaynor with the morning announcements. Today is February 9th, 2022.
Quick thought about the day. It doesn't take any ability to hustle Billy Moore. Today's National Day is Read in the Bathtub Day. It is yearly observance on February 9th. Reading a book in a warm bath guarantees a calm feeling of relief as the literature of therapeutically works its magic. You don't have to worry about what noises are out or there or any disturbances while you're in the bathtub. You just get to focus on what you're reading for as long as you want. The relaxation and scented bath would guarantee an unforgettable experience.
Lunch today is barbecue pork rib sandwich, garden bar fruit, and milk.
Weather today is a high of 46, low of 26, mostly sunny. Everyone have a great day. Remember, Bulls lead the way.
Today for Explorers, all classes will come to the gym for a Diabolo workshop.